Welcome to the Support Genix Documentation. Today, we'll guide you through integrating WooCommerce with Support Genix. This integration enables efficient management of support tickets and queries. Let's begin our step-by-step guide. Support Genix is a WordPress plugin that enables you to efficiently manage all of your online store tickets and customer requests from a single platform. With this plugin, your support team can save significant time. If you have WooCommerce on the same site where Support Genix is installed, follow these steps for a quick and efficient setup. In your Support Genix admin panel, navigate to the WooCommerce page. Click Add New to initiate a WooCommerce integration. Choose WooCommerce in the same site from the drop-down menu. Enter your website or store title. Configure settings for cancelled order ID and refunded order ID. Ensure settings for email address verification are correctly adjusted. After saving the integration, visit the support page. Notice the new order ID field for creating tickets. Support Genix features an automatic ticket creation option for new orders placed in WooCommerce. Let me show you how to enable this feature. Ignore the following steps if you do not wish to generate a ticket for an order received. Edit the same site integration. Enable Auto Create Ticket on new order creation. Optionally, set a default category for these auto-created tickets. Use dynamic placeholders to customize ticket titles and descriptions. Update your integration to apply these changes. Let's place an order in the WooCommerce store and observe how the ticket is generated automatically. If you need to handle customer support requests across multiple WooCommerce sites, Support Genix offers a streamlined solution for centralized management. Let me guide you through the process. Click Add New for a new integration. Select WooCommerce in External Site. Provide a title for your external website or store. Obtain the API credentials from your external WooCommerce site. And input them into Support Genix. Enter the store URL, API consumer key, and API consumer secret. Customize additional settings as required, and save your integration. Support Genix has an advanced feature that automatically generates tickets via webhook when an order is created in any of your stores. Let me show you how to enable this feature. You can skip these steps if you prefer not to generate a ticket when an order is created. Edit the external site integration. Enable Auto Create Ticket on new order creation via webhook. Create an incoming webhook in Support Genix. Implement this webhook in your external WooCommerce settings. Optionally, set a default category for auto-created tickets. Customize ticket titles and descriptions using dynamic placeholders, and update the integration to finalize these settings. To check if the ticket has been created successfully, let's create an order in the WooCommerce store. Now, explore some essential settings to optimize your WooCommerce integration. Go to the Settings tab on the WooCommerce page in Support Genix. Make adjustments to have Store and Order ID fields optional. Enable or disable these fields in both the Support Genix tab, Creation and Registration forms. Customize the Get Support menu for the WooCommerce My Account page on the same site. And congratulations! You've successfully integrated WooCommerce with Support Genix, transforming your support ticket management. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Try Support Genix for free today.